Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting essentials out of the way. Power on the Android TV and keep the remote ready. Make sure you know the network name and exact password and whether you need 4 GHz or 5 GHz. Using the remote, press Home and go to Settings, then Network. You're doing this now so the TV can scan available networks immediately. Once the scan appears, pause to pick the correct SSID rather than the similar neighbor network. Once the SSID list is visible, select your network. Make sure the signal icon is strong enough for streaming. You'll use the on-screen keyboard to enter the password. Type slowly, checking uppercase letters and special characters because a single error blocks access. If a security type prompt appears, choose WPA2 or WPA3 as your router supports. After entering credentials, press Connect and wait. The TV negotiates IP and encryption, so be patient while it authenticates and requests an IP from your router. After connecting, check network details to confirm the TV received an IP and shows internet access. If it fails, restart the TV and router, then retry, switching to the 4 GHz band can resolve range or compatibility issues. If you still fail, try a wired Ethernet test to isolate wireless problems and check your router for MAC filtering or DHCP client limits. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.